Infinity Token is a global universal integration basically published by Infinity Wallet. INF is based on the decentralized digital assets released by Ethereum, using the tokenomics model accompanied by a repurchase and destruction mechanism, with the goal of connecting excellent digital asset projects with the INF quality users. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share such a great airdrop of Infinity Token, and also I am going to elaborate each and everything regarding the Infinity Token. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. Okay, first of all I will show you the major thing that right now INF is available on the CoinGecko. And secondly, their airdrop is ongoing in the Telegram. I will also share that one link in the description so you can easily join the airdrop. First of all, here you can see each and everything that right now on ICO Marks, basically Infinity Token got the ranking about 5.8, and that is such a great ranking. And also you can find out all the details, especially all the social media, and secondly the total supply, and only 10% is available for selling. And it is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal MyEther wallet address, in your MetaMask, or in the Trust wallet. Secondly, the price in the ICO of one ICF, the one INF is equal to 0.05 basically dollars, and the whole project belongs from the New Zealand, and the last date of the ICO is 31st August 2020. So these are the major things regarding the whole platform. Now how you can join the airdrop, but first of all I will show you the major things that right now it got the ranking from the ICO Marks. Secondly, it is also available on the best coin list, and the third one, it is also available on the ICOholder.com. and here you can find out each and every detail, the major details regarding the Infinity Token. And now the basic thing which I want to tell you, that if you want to buy this token, you just have to go to the Telegram group, and the pinned message at this time you just have to message the admin, and you can easily buy the token directly from the admin in the Infinity group. Now the basic thing, how you can join the airdrop. Here comes the whole thing. It is entirely very easy, and at this time they are giving away 1000 INF token, that is equal to $50. So it is entirely very easy for you to join. It is the second round of Infinity Token. First of all, you have to click on start, then you have to click on continue, then you have to join all the social media, and also you have to sign up on the CoinGecko, and you have to basically like Infinity Token over here. First of all, you have to sign up over here on the CoinGecko, then you have to basically click over here, and you have to like this one to join the airdrop. It is mandatory, so you must have to join this. Now the next thing what you have to do, now you have to basically enter all the details, and then they are going to give you your own referral link, and whenever you are going to use your own referral link, you are going to get number of INF tokens free. So it is such a great thing regarding the INF Infinity Token, and you must have to join this airdrop, because very soon you are going to see this token on multiple exchanges, and at that time the price will damnly high. So it is your time to grab this airdrop freely. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.